Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download ChatGPT to your iPhone and use it. As you see here, directly it gives you an essay or information about Albert Einstein, or you can ask anything if you want. If you want to download the app like this, watch to the end. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Now search for App Store. Search for ChatGPT. Download this one. Now it's downloaded. Find it. You see here we have ChatGPT. Continue. You can sign up, and I don't want to sign up, just I want to ask it. For example, give me an essay about Newton. Okay. Directly it gives information about Isaac Newton. You can ask anything you want. That's all.